Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to highlight downtown Nashville and some of the most famous bars on Broadway. Broadway itself is a 4-block strip lined with many famous bars and restaurants, many of which are actually owned by famous country music singers. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On the weekend, Broadway turns into a pedestrian plaza and the streets are closed to traffic, which is nice to walk around. We would recommend choosing a hotel that is walking distance from Broadway, as Ubers and taxis can get quite pricey and driving around downtown Nashville can be hectic. As you walk up and down Broadway, you will see lots of upcoming artists playing at these bars every night of the week. And if you get lucky, you might even run into a celebrity. What's really unique about the bars on Broadway in downtown Nashville is that most of them have multiple levels, including a rooftop. While most of the music definitely is country, since this is Nashville, there is also live rock bands and other genres, and some of the bars also have floors with a DJ or karaoke. There was no cover to go into any of these bars, but just remember to tip the bands and also your bartenders. First up is the stage, which is one of the most famous spots on Broadway to hear live music. It has a rowdy dive bar type feel where many famous and up-and-coming artists have played. It has been graced by the likes of Toby Keith, Brooks and Dunn, and Miranda Lambert. AJ's Good Time Bar is another really fun spot to stop by. It is owned by country music singer Alan Jackson and features 3 floors with awesome live country music. AJ's also had a really nice rooftop bar with live music, so be sure to check out the roof if you stop by. Now on to Dierks Bentley's Whiskey Row. This place had a really cool vibe with live music downstairs and a second level with a DJ. Make sure you don't miss the rooftop at Dierks Bentley's, which is a very popular spot, especially on the weekends. It can get a little crowded, but it is fun. Friends in Low Places, owned by country music singer Garth Brooks, is an awesome honky tonk to check out in downtown Nashville. They have a large stage on the main floor, which is really fun to see live music and people dancing. you're looking for a good rooftop in downtown Nashville, Friends in Low Places Rooftop was exceptional. They had a large indoor-outdoor area, which was a nice vibe. So Sunday nights are definitely a bit quieter on Broadway, but it is still busy and still a good scene. Morgan Wallen's This Bar is a brand new establishment that opened just this year in 2024. It has a classic honky tonk feel with a modern upscale twist. We actually wanted to go on Saturday night, but the lines were too long as the place was too packed. So we came on Sunday instead, and there was still, as you can see, a very full, lively scene. The rooftop at Morgan Wallen's was also definitely worth checking out. It was a lively scene and a great view of downtown. Jason Aldean's Kitchen and Rooftop Bar is another fantastic spot to visit in downtown Nashville. As you walk in, you'll be greeted with countless acts of live country music. The bar on the main floor has a cool saloon-type feel with a John Deere tractor parked right in the middle of the bar. Also, don't miss the rooftop bar at Jason Aldean's, which was also a fun one. We took a break from downtown on Monday night to give ourselves a little recovery, but hit the town again on Tuesday. Honestly, regardless of the day of the week, any night is a good night in Nashville. We didn't have time to make it to Blake Shelton's bar, Old Red, but we hear it's a very popular venue for live music. And now on to Kid Rock's Big Ass Honky Tonk. Kid Rock's is a huge venue, and it was one of our favorite ones that we went to on Broadway. It has 5 floors and 6 bars. The most fun being the one on the main stage on the first level, which had excellent live rock music. Luke's 32 is the bar of famous country music singer Luke Bryan. He actually named this bar after his hometown in Georgia, near the 32 Bridge. This was also a really nice venue to listen to some live country music and to have a great time. Another famous Luke, Luke Combs, will be opening his bar called Category 10 later this year in November 2024. We will definitely be checking this out on our next trip to Nashville. If you get hungry while you're on Broadway, definitely check out Assembly Food Hall and Hattie B's, home to their famous Nashville hot chicken, which is probably the best in town. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope this inspires you to make a trip to Nashville. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you along on our future travels.